Good morning, children. So, as you all know, that we have finished with the explanation and discussion of chapter 6, that is major landforms of the earth. So, today we will do the question answers and the exercises. So, firstly, let us start with the question answers. So, the first question is, what are the major landforms? So, the answer is very simple. The major landforms are mountains, plateaus and plains. Second question, what is the difference between a mountain and a plateau? So, the difference between mountain and plateau is given below. So, you will make two columns. On the left side you will write mountain and on the right side you will write plateau, and then we will differentiate. So the first point is, a mountain is any natural elevation of the earth surface. On plateau side we will write a plateau is an elevated flatland. The second point will be, the mountains may have a small summit and a broad base. On the plateau side we will write a plateau is flat topped tableland standing above the surrounding area. And we will give examples on each side. On mountains we will write Himalayas and the Alps, and on plateau side we will write the Deccan Plateau and the Tibet Plateau. Now moving to question number C, what are the different types of mountains? This answer is also very simple. The different types of mountains are fold mountains, block mountains, volcanic mountains. Now coming to question number D. How are the mountains useful to man? So the mountains are useful to man in various ways. First, mountains are a storehouse of water. Second, water from the mountains is used for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity. Third, the river valleys and terraces are ideal for the cultivation of crops. Fourth, mountains have rich variety of flora and fauna. And lastly, the forests provide fuel, fodder, shelter and products like gum, raisins, etc. Now coming to question number E, how are plains formed? So plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries. The rivers flow down the slopes of mountains and erode them. They carry forward the eroded material and deposit their load consisting of stones, sand and silt along their courses and in their valleys. It is from these deposits that plains are formed. Now question number F, why are river plains thickly populated? River plains are thickly populated because people get flat land for building houses, construction of transport network is easy, and since the soil of river plains is very fertile, therefore the land is highly productive for cultivation of crops. Now moving to last question, why are mountains thinly populated? Means why do people generally do not prefer to live in mountains? So life is very difficult in mountain areas because of harsh climate. It is quite difficult to grow crops, build houses or roads in a mountain. Hence people do not prefer to live in mountains. So we have discussed all the question answers. Now we will discuss the tick the correct answers. First is, the mountains differ from the hills in terms of, so the correct answer is elevation. Elevation means height. Second, glaciers are found in, the answer is mountains. Number third, the Deccan Plateau is located in, it is located in India. Then number D, the river Yangtze flows in, the correct answer is China. Then number E, an important mountain range of Europe is the Alps. Now we will discuss fill in the blanks. First, a dash is an unbroken, flat or low level land. So the correct answer is plain. A plain is an unbroken, flat or low level land. Second, the Himalayas and the Alps are examples of dash types of mountains. So the correct answer is Youngfold mountain. Number third, dash are rich in mineral deposits. So plateau areas are rich in mineral deposits. Number fourth, the dash is a line of mountains. The correct answer is range. The range is a line of mountains. And lastly, the dash areas are most productive for farming. The correct answer is plain. So plain areas are most productive for farming. So children, with this we have completed chapter number 6. So you will write down the question answers in the copy and rest fill in the blanks and take the correct answer. You can do it in the book itself. And please learn the question answers. I will see you in the next class. Thank you children.